sometimes when you look at human behavior, you will stop doing what is right. And Job said the other day, though he slays me, yet will I serve him. And you got to come to a place where you know that you know, and that your mind is made up, that for God I live and for God I die. And what I do for God and not for the gain and not for a reward from man. And I'm not doing what I'm doing to be accepted of men, and I'm not doing it to be in the good books of men. I'm doing what I was born to do. For the greatest discovery in life is the day you discover the reason for which God gave you life.